Hey, no, hey, Cassie.
Yeah.
Who Drex? I'm looking for Drex.
Drex. Oh, nanya lapha.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'm about busy gun. Why are they busy with you? But shoot him. Shoot him what? Hey. Anyways, what Drex? Drex.
Shut up.
Bob, I'm looking for you. So please go on, love.
For 2 minutes, but I'm shooting tonight promo in Nabanaba.
You promo yan man. Anyways.
Let me put you on to one of the most epic stories ever told. I quote Swagger Cliff. This is not some typical Kasi story. Le izinja binjam. From the destitute upcoming rapper who grew up in the dusty streets of Ebuhleni in the north side to the opulent slave queen who thinks the world is just her oyster. Ailana Tiabuya Kazlam. Fake friendships, love triangles and social media fame. Pela TikTok is now monetized, so it's content over everything. Skim Sam. Peluyazi, Mali, we need it. But Aslan in La Paga YouTube next week Friday, 6 p.m. for the
First episode of Umlaba